Hi, my name's Brian. I was at a local rallycross running my Subaru Impreza rally car when I had a transmission failure. I thought I'd share that teardown process with you and show you what happened. So first of all, if you want to watch the video that I'm going to start now. So now that you've seen the run, I believe I lost second gear. I'm pretty sure I knocked all the teeth off of it. I pulled the drain plug already, drained the fluid, and it was all glittery. And I did find one of the teeth on the drain plug. So now I'm going to tear it down and we'll see what happened. Alright, I got the trans torn down, and I guess we'll start from the back. There was a little bit of metal particles I was finding, like this kind of stuff. It looks almost to me like bearing material. But I was finding that kind of stuff in the back section. There's more of it. You can see here. Just a pile of it. But then coming up to the front, obviously second gear is toast. And all the teeth in the case. Let's see if we can get a better. Yep, there's all the teeth. So that's it, second gear. Thanks for watching.